In this video, we're going to look at changing the subject of a formula. So here's a question that says make B the subject of the formula. What that means is get B by itself. Make the formula B equals something. So to make B the subject of a formula, we need to get B by itself. At the moment, B is with C and it's plus. So it's B plus C. To get rid of a plus, we do the opposite, which is take away. So we take away C from both sides, and that gives us A minus C equals B. And so B is now the subject of the formula. We can write it the other way around. B equals A minus C. B is the subject of the formula because it's in the form B equals. Here's another question. Again, we're going to make B the subject of the formula. So we need to get B by itself. We've got a minus C this time. To get rid of a minus C, we do the opposite, which is plusing C. So we plus C to both sides of the equation. So on the left side, I've got A plus C, which is just A plus C. And on the right side, I've got 2B. So I need to get rid of the 2 as well. I need to get B by itself. At the moment, we've got 2 times B. 2B means 2 times B. And to get rid of a times, we do a divide. The opposite of times is divide. So we divide both sides by 2. And that leaves us with A plus C over 2 equals B. And we can write that the other way around if we want. B equals A plus C over 2. Again, make B the subject of the formula. So this time, I've got A equals 5B squared over A. I'm going to get rid of this divide by A first. And to get rid of a divide by A, the opposite of divide is times. So I'm going to multiply both sides by A. So on the left, I've got A times A. And A times A, we can write as A squared. And on the right, I've now got 5B squared. I need to get rid of the 5 next. So to get rid of a times 5, we've got 5 times B squared. To get rid of a times, we do a divide. So I divide both sides by 5. So I've got A squared over 5 equals B squared. And now I need to get rid of a square. The opposite of squaring is square rooting. So I square root both sides to get rid of a square. So B equals the square root of A squared over 5. And again, I can write that the other way around as B equals the square root of A squared over 5. And here's another one. Make A the subject of the formula. So I've got P equals F over A. So I want to get A by itself. I don't like it on the bottom. So I'm going to start by multiplying both sides by A. I'm going to get rid of the divide by doing a times. So on the left, I've got P times A, which is AP. And on the right, I've just got F. I want to get A by itself. I've got A times P. I'm going to get rid of the P now. And I'm going to divide both sides by P, which leaves me with A equals F over P. Okay, here's 3 questions. Make X the subject of the formula. Pause the video, give them a go, and press play when you're ready for the answers. Okay, question 1. So I need to get x by itself. The first thing I need to get rid of is this 5. It's a plus 5, so I get rid of it by taking 5 away from both sides. So y minus 5 equals 2x. And to get x by itself, I divide both sides by 2, which leaves me with x equals y minus 5 over 2. Question 2, y equals 2 over x. I don't want x on the bottom, so the first step, multiply both sides by x, which makes it xy equals 2. So I've got x times y at the moment. I need to get rid of the y, so the opposite of times is divide. So x equals 2 over y. Divide both sides by y. And finally, y equals 5x squared over a. To get rid of the divide by a, I times both sides by a. So ay equals 5x squared. I've got 5 times x squared. So to get rid of a times by 5, I divide both sides by 5. So ay over 5 equals x squared. Now I need to get rid of the squared. Opposite of squaring is square rooting. So I square root both sides. So x equals the square root of ay over 5.